In this video, we're going to take a look at Gravatars. Now, if you've ever left a comment on someone else's blog and you notice that next to your comment, you don't actually see a profile picture of yourself, whereas other people who have left a comment on the same blog have an actual or real picture next to their name, this means that you do not have a Gravatar associated with your email address. So what you need to do is go to gravatar.com and then just go ahead and click on Get Your Gravatar Today. So all you need to do is provide your email address. And now this has to be your primary email address that you will use when leaving comments on other people's blogs. Each email address can only have one Gravatar associated with it. So if you use a different email address, then you'll probably need to create a different Gravatar account for that email address as well. So just go ahead and put in your full email address and then click on Sign Up. So once you've signed up, then all you need to do is add an image to your email address. So you can go ahead and do that by clicking on Add One here, okay? And then you can either select an image from your computer, an image on the internet, or from a webcam attached to your computer. So the easiest way to do this is if you already have an image, to just go ahead and select that image from your computer's hard drive. So I'm going to click on the first option here. Next, all you need to do is select the file that you want to use. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at some of the royalty-free images that I've downloaded here earlier, but of course you should use an actual picture of you that you have on your computer, okay? So I'm going to select this one here and then click on Next. So what happens next is that you have to crop your image to fit the predetermined standard sizes of the avatar. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do. We need to crop that because of the predetermined sizes. And it's usually going to be a perfect square. So I can just drag and drop the crop tool, and I can resize this tool. Okay? So if I want to exclude the background here, then I can resize it to exactly how I want. Now that looks good. So when I'm done, I can click on Crop and Finish. Okay. So now my Gravatar is done. And you'll be asked to click on one of the icons here to specify the ratings. So unless you're using some kind of X-rated picture, in most cases you can just select G for general audience, right? All right, so that's it. And now you have a brand new Gravatar. So the other way to do it, of course, is to log into your WordPress account.com dashboard. And by the way, I mean, this is going to pop up instead of the general, it's going to pop up with your Gravatar now. But the other way to do it, like I said, is your WordPress account dashboard. Now, Gravatar is a service that is owned by WordPress. So it's both highly and tightly integrated. So if you log into your WordPress.com profile and you click on your profile link here, and you should also see the exact same Gravatar as long as you're using the same email address. So if I change the email address to something else, then I'll probably need to update that email address into my Gravatar.com account. And as long as you leave a comment on any blog using the same email address, then you actually get your picture, your profile picture, to appear. And that's how easy it is to start using Gravatars for your blogging.